When you create a new planning board, you can rename the planning board, choose the planning board's period, add a description, and change the color of the planning board. Once all these options are chosen, the planning board is displayed. You can see that the planning board is bidimensional. The first dimension, time, appears at the top. Departments are on the left. They can be labeled to your liking. The zoom function allows you to have a broader or more precise view, from a general months view to a more precise 15-minute interval view. The resources are located on the rows that can be grouped into departments. When you double-click on a row, the editing window will open up. Here you can change the row's name, select the font, choose the font's color, and right here you can also change the background color. Fully color the row by checking Color Entire Row. If you want to, you can change the height of the row too. When you double-click on a row group, here the editing window will open up too. Here again you can change the name, choose the font, select the font's color, and change the background color. When you right-click on a department, it is possible to add a group, edit a group, optimize a group, or delete a group. The same actions are available when you right-click on a row. You can move an entire row by simply left-clicking, holding, and dragging. It is also possible to move the row group by dragging and dropping the row group at the top.